Dollar Tree, California, here we come. It's amazing. They have the gnome tea towels, the little hairbands with the flag and on a heart. They have stakes for outside and 4th of July welcome. Oh, I do like that sign. Oh, look at the gnome Uncle Sam. That's so cute. Oh, we've got him and we have her. Oh wow, look at these. And all for $1.25. It's amazing, really. Shooting star. Oh, I love this. Welcome with lollipops. Really everything that you could need for an amazing 4th of July party. And you know, for such a good price and on a budget. It's just amazing. I love these ornaments as well. So you've got them in white, red and blue. And hanging decorations and a banner here. More banners. And little mini hats. And mini cups. Oh, look at the straws. Oh, I like the foam scatter pieces. Oh, and if somebody needs a sparkly blue bow tie, you can certainly get one here. Metallic party streamers. Oh no, this is amazing. Tablecloth and a firework tablecloth. Also headbands and a scrunchie and a fan. Oh wow. And there are things here to wear. So you've got necklaces and stars there. They're very pretty. Door banners. Party poppers. Look at those guys. Large flags. Oh, look at him. Oh, I think I'm in love. He is so cute. Oh yes, that's good, isn't it? Tea towels. I have to get a couple of tea towels to take home. And plates, or platters I would say. That's rather a large plate. And a drinks container. And one in blue here. And all the different colour plates. They've got white? No, actually it's just in red and blue, but if you put that on a white tablecloth that will work out very well. Oh, look at these. Amazing. And little tea lights. Anything else? Oh no, that's all the summer wear around there. And look at this aisle. For graduation. Congrats, grad. Tinsel here in gold and silver. Banner. Congrats 2024. Now this is good. Look at this. For $1.25 you can add your own picture there. That's just amazing, really. Oh, and they've got it in black as well, but I particularly like this one because of the tassel. Reach reach for the stars. Beach balls. And little lanterns. And they've also got napkins. Oh, and these are a lot of fun. Look at these bubbles. And a decoration here. The tassel was worth the hassle. Let's hope so. And party poppers. And plastic banners. Some more. It says plastic banner there. And plates with congratulations on. Lanyards. Inflatable headbands. No, that would be fun. Oh, that's a good idea. Graduation wishes, dear, and then advice and well wishes. Stickers. Graduation bags. Table decorations there. And very cool sunglasses. And mugs. Oh wow. And I love this table skirt. And to match the napkins is a tablecloth. And we've come to the summer children's items here. So let's take a look at the diving octopuses. They're good fun. And a splash and swim, little inflatable there. And bubbles. Princess bubbles. Spider-Man bubbles. Minnie Mouse. Oh, they've got them all. Blue's the Clue. And you. And even Paw Patrol. And they also have a pack of 3 here. And they have a whole wall of outdoor toys. So let's take a closer look, shall we? And they've got 150 piece balloons, and I think there's a nozzle in there to help you blow them up. It says splash and swim. That's what you do. You pop it on the end of the tap to help you. They're water bombs. Of course they are. And there's a foam glider up there. What are these? Water pistols? Oh yes, water pistols. A noodle booster. I have no idea what a noodle booster is, but please let me know in the comments below. There's mini punch balls or punch balloons, and there's multicoloured skipping ropes there. And what do we have down here? Little sandcastle. Oop, that one's broken. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, includes 4 wands. Bubble play set. Oh, it's a bubble play set. I thought it was to make sandcastles. Here's some pots to make sandcastles. And they have little shovels here with the moulds. And this is a pool noodle chair. That's great fun. Bubble play set. Sidewalk chalks. And these are great fun. They are water balls, I think. Yes, water balls that you can play with in the pool. Little fishing game. A huge bubble wand to make huge bubbles. A water ball sling shooter. A swim ring, a flamingo one here, and a rainbow multicolour one, and a shark's mouth. Well, you can do some serious digging with this one, couldn't you? And this is a sidewalk chalker, and comes with a little attachment so you can do 3 at a time, which is good. A beach ball. Swim masks, and a swim mask here with the goggles, and just individual goggles there. And they've got rackets and all sorts here. And this one's a splash catcher. That will be great fun. Okay then guys, that's it from today. Be sure to subscribe and come back again very soon. I'll be uploading most days, so there'll be something new every day. Take care. Bye for now. Lots of love, Tracy.